Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Sketch Contour lesson. In a new part, add a sketch in the front plane. Draw the sketch profile approximately as indicated. For this exercise, the sketch dimensions are not important. Make an extruded boss. Review the different contours available. Select the bottom rectangle and extrude it as shown. Expand the boss extrude, select the sketch and make it visible. Right-click in the sketch and select Contour Selection tool. Pre-select the contours indicated. Add an extruded boss. Set the depth approximately as shown. And click OK. Right-click in the sketch and select Contour Selection tool. Pre-select the contours indicated. Add an extruded boss. Set the depth approximately as shown and click OK. Right-click in the sketch, select Contour Selection tool, pre-select the circle and make an extruded cut. Set the From condition to Surface Face and select the face indicated. Set the cut's depth and click OK to finish. Expand the features to verify the sketch is shared and hide it.